Hi, so in this video, I will show you how to fix Facebook notifications not working. First is to launch your Facebook application. Then click on the hamburger icon or the three horizontal lines located on the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, tap Settings. Scroll down and under Preferences, select Notifications. Ensure that all of these options are enabled. To enable these notifications, tap and make sure that these buttons are set to blue. And do the same to the rest. Then go to your Settings application. Scroll down until you find Apps. Now search for Facebook using the hamburger icon found on the top right corner. Click on Facebook and tap on Permissions. And once again, ensure that all of these permissions are enabled. Now go back, tap on Notification, and ensure that the Allow Notifications is on. And that is all. Thank you and have a great day.